In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a video file format in a PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need for this is VLC Media Player. So if you don't have the VSL Media Player, we need to go ahead and download and install that. So we can download it from videoland.org and click on that download VSL file and then install it. From here, go ahead and open up VSL Media Player. And then on the top left, we've got different tabs. Click on the media and then click onto where it says convert and save. From here, we've got file. So file selection, we want to go ahead and add that video that you'd like to convert. So I'm just going to use a screen recording here. So I'm going to double click this recording. And then from here, we want to go ahead and at the bottom of the page here, we've got convert/save. So click onto that. Then we need to convert this. So under settings, click on convert. Where it says profile, click on that drop down menu next to it, and we can change the video file from here. We got all different types we can use, from MPEG to DIV3. If we scroll down, we've got all these different files we can choose. So for this, I'm going to do MPEG-2. I'm going to convert this video to MPEG-2, MPEG-GA. And our destination, we want to choose the destination where we want to send our converted file to. So I'm just going to choose videos inside my system. And also here, we can click on this create a new profile, and we can play around in the settings inside here. So we can change the video codec here. Also, we got audio codec and subtitles, and we can give this profile a name if we like, and then click create. But I'm just going to go with this and click start. And now this is going to convert my video